Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. The Apple headset. We know it's right around the corner. It's a virtual corner. Don't go looking around the corner. It's not there yet, but allegedly, it's going to be announced at WWDC, which is coming up in just a couple of months, at least at the time of this recording. It may not be released immediately. In fact, I believe that Scuttlebutt suggests it's been pushed back, the initial launch window pushed back further because it's kind of buggy, and Apple executives, I guess, according to rumors, some of them have been saying, I don't know, but I might get the Apple headset. Why? 3 reasons. 1, everyone's going to want one. So if they want one, I got to keep up with the Joneses, especially the Indiana Joneses. Oh, I can't wait for that movie release. No, I'm serious. Like, when you've got a company like Apple releasing this massively expensive product, I'll get to that in another video, everyone's going to be paying attention to it. So because of that, because of the attention, I feel I would be able to use it, have it, on my head. I assume that's the part of the body you use a headset on. Oh God, I'd hate to think of where else you'd put it. Anyway, if I'm doing it and using it, well, not doing it, I mean using the product and doing it in a video, like a live video on live.pirillo.com, I feel people would stop and start paying attention a little more. They want to know what the experience was like, and I would be able to get new experiences that otherwise I couldn't have received without such a device. It's not AR, it's not VR. Allegedly, it's mixed reality, and I am all in on that idea. Plus, it might be kind of fun to try something new.